Greetings, I'm Professor K, and I want to welcome you to this short course overview on ethical hacking, a hands-on approach to ethical hacking. I've worked in technology for over 20 years. I've been teaching online for 12, and I have 2 master's degrees, one in cybersecurity and the other one in information technology. And now let's go ahead and begin the course overview. This course was built and designed using VirtualBox. So all the lab files, all the videos show the use of VirtualBox. Students are free to use any hardware emulation program they want to use, such as VMware or Hyper-V, but I support VirtualBox. All the links for the software, any ISO files or OVA images are provided for you inside of the lab files. For this course, you're going to need one unattended virtual install of XP, one virtual install of Kali Linux, one virtual install of CSI Linux Investigator, and additional virtual installs of Microsoft Server 2008 and Linux Metasploitable. This course is broken down into sections. You are now looking at Section 1. This is the course overview. For Section 2, you will begin building your virtual lab environment. On Section 3, I show you how to optimize Kali, and in Section 4, anonymity, remaining anonymous while hacking online. Section 5, gathering information, which is open source intelligence, or OSINT. Section 6 is using Nmap. Section 7, scanning for vulnerabilities using Nessus. Section 8, scanning for vulnerabilities using OpenVAS. Section 9, exploiting Windows XP. And in Section 10, Netcat. Section 11 is exploiting Linux. Section 12, social engineering. Section 13, bash scripting for Pentesters. And in Section 14, we have password cracking. And in Section 15, web-based application attacks. In Section 16, we talk about browser exploitation framework. Section 17, capture the flag, walkthrough for Mr. Robot. And Section 18, we have another capture the flag for Stapler. And in Section 19, you have your bonus section. Students should have a host machine with a preferred operating system of a Windows 7, 8, or 10, though Mac or a Linux machine can be used. But the preferred machine is a Windows machine. Students should have a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB is recommended. Students will have to have a system BIOS capable of supporting VT+X virtualization. You'll also need a good internet connection. Prior to signing up for this course, 2 things need to happen. First, the student needs to be able to complete Section 2 of the course, which is the building of the virtual network environment. The second thing that the student needs to have or bring to the course is basic knowledge of operating systems, networking principles, IP addressing, and DNS. This course is dynamic, and more lessons are added as time goes on. So the size of this course that you see now is not the size of the course when it was first built. This course has been expanded over time, and it continues to be expanded as I find new content that I can add to the course. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on the course overview. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this course overview, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.